Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll explain how to recover a Shopify store that was suddenly closed. And yeah, this situation can feel shocking, but in many cases, it's recoverable in 2026. When a Shopify store closes suddenly, it usually happens because of policy violations, payment issues, incomplete verification, or suspicious activity. It doesn't always mean your store is permanently banned. So first thing, stay calm. Start by checking your email inbox linked to your Shopify account. Shopify always sends an email explaining why the store was closed or paused. This message is extremely important because it tells you what went wrong and what Shopify expects from you. Next, log into your Shopify admin if access is still available. Look for alerts, banners, or notifications related to account review or store closure. Sometimes the issue is temporary and requires simple verification. Now review your products and store content carefully. Remove anything that could violate Shopify's policies, like restricted products, misleading descriptions, or unrealistic claims. Yeah, even one risky product can cause a full store shutdown. Check your business and payment information. Make sure your name, address, bank details, and tax information match real documents exactly. Mismatched details are one of the most common reasons stores get closed suddenly. If Shopify asks for documents, upload them as soon as possible. This may include ID verification, business registration, proof of address, or supplier invoices. Make sure everything is clear, readable, and up to date. If you believe the closure was a mistake, contact Shopify support through their official help center. Explain your situation clearly, politely, and professionally. Yeah, being calm and cooperative really improves your chances. While waiting for a response, avoid opening multiple new Shopify stores. This can make the situation worse and delay recovery. In many cases, once Shopify reviews and verifies your information, the store is reopened automatically. After recovery, follow Shopify policies closely to prevent future shutdowns. So that's how to recover a Shopify store that was closed suddenly in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify fixes and business tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.